Hi guys, Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge, and I have this 2021 Cherokee Trailhawk behind me here. It is the sandstone brown pearl coat, which is a beautiful vehicle color when you get right in front of it. Hopefully from the video you're seeing the same thing as well, but the contrast between the black rims, the black badging, as well as the kind of smoked chrome look, it flows really nicely together. So if you come a little bit closer, I just wanted to show you a few things. So on the Cherokee, we do have a heating element just at the bottom of the windshield, which helps. So when people are sitting there and they got the windshield wipers after they park their vehicle, they pull them up like this. Well, that's because if they leave them down and the snow melts and then it freezes your windshield wipers on here, that's why you lift it up. Well, you can leave yours down on a vehicle like this because it has a heating element that keeps your windshield wipers from freezing to the windshield. So I mentioned that it kind of flows really nice. It's got the sandstone pearl coat color with a nice smoked gray badging and grill slots, which I think looks fantastic. Coming on over with me here, it also has the non-chromed roof rails, which look really great. Keyless entry, so you can keep your key fob in your pocket at all times. Slide your hand in the handle to unlock it, press the button to lock, and then of course our power lift gate. So 2 clicks of the button on the key fob lifts up our tailgate. This one does have the trailer hitch with ability to tow just over 3,000 pounds, so that's a good amount when it comes to getting you onto a trailer or anything like that. If I can get you in to have a quick test drive with me, you'll see that the 3.2 liter V6 Pentastar engine under the hood, great power, and the 4x4 is unparalleled. Let's face it, it's a Jeep. Let's check out the inside. Hi guys, Shannon sitting inside of this Cherokee. I told you in the last video that I talk about the Select-A-Train. So with the 4x4 in this vehicle, it's a little bit more diverse because it actually has a locking differential in the back. So you can lock out that rear differential, which gives you that much more control and power on the road, as well as the different presets for the 4x4. So if you go to auto, automatically you're going to change between 2-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, and 4x4, but the rest of them are going to go ahead and help you to pick the 4x4 that makes the most sense. The snow, you just want your 4x4 on all the time. So turn it to snow, you're set for the winter. So that's one thing about the Cherokee that I think you're going to love, not to mention this one will park itself. It'll pull you back in the lane because as the lane departure, say you start to drift out, as well as the blind spot monitoring, which is on the mirror, will light up the triangle orange. Those are just another couple things that I love to talk about. You'll have to find out what the adaptive cruise control feels like on the road yourself. So come on down, 780-266-1679. My name is Shannon again at St.Albert Dodge, and I'd love to take you for a drive and show off the adaptive cruise.